Amethyst with WTI. I have a product that I'm very excited to share with you today. This is a skincare combo where you get a rose quartz roller and a serum here. So let's talk about this serum because it has got some stuff going for it. So this is a vitamin C and hyaluronic acid serum. Both ingredients are things that almost everyone should have in their skincare routine. So the hyaluronic acid is going to be great at giving your skin this plump texture, really holding in moisture and moisturizing your skin. And vitamin C is an amazing ingredient for skincare. So it's going to do a great job at protecting your skin from sun damage and also just kind of smoothing out your skin, reducing those wrinkles and the patchy spots in your skin. This is going to have 20% natural vitamin C in it, which is amazing. So the serum itself is pretty scentless, it's odorless, it's colorless, and it's very thick, like you would expect your serums to be. I really love the texture of this. It feels kind of jelly on the skin, and it's just very nice and smooth to like rub in. And then once you apply it, you're gonna go in with this jade roller. And jade rollers have been used in skincare for a very long time. There's a lot of claims that these have for your skin, such as supporting the lymphatic system and lymphatic drainage, which can reduce the appearance of puffiness, as well as reduce the appearance of blood vessels, which is really cool. And then this is also supposed to remove those fine lines and wrinkles. You basically are giving your skin a massage. So even if it doesn't do the things that it claims, I would totally still use this because it just feels so good to use every single morning. This is a set that you're going to want to use in the morning before you do any of your other skincare. Give your skin a nice wash with whatever wash you like, and then apply this, and then go in with your sunscreen, moisturizer, things like that. So if you've talked to your dermatologist or your cosmetologist and they suggest something with vitamin C or hyaluronic acid, I definitely recommend asking them about this product and seeing if it's right for you. I highly recommend it, and that is my point of view.